Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to apply and submit the application of admission online form. First, create a new account to apply for admission via the following link. Enter your personal email and select Bachelor's, then press Continue. You will receive a message to your personal email containing the username and a password. Go to application of admission through the following link. Enter the given username and the password. Then, press the login button. Read the notes and instructions carefully, then click the application icon. Fill in all the required information and save it.
Second, click the Payment of Application Fees icon. The application fee can be paid using the electronic payment number, PSUT, or by using a MasterCard or Visa card. Finally, click the Send button to submit the application.
After submitting the application, please wait for a notification from the Deanship of Admissions and Registration about the following details: the entrance exam date, the interview date and time. The notification will be sent to your mobile phone or through your personal email. To access the admission platform, scan the QR code below or send an email to dar@sut.edu.ju.